Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know many of you are probably questioning where I've been. I know you ain't been seeing me post as regularly as many of you would have liked. I know many of you keep asking me when I'm going to be coming back and posting videos. And you would have seen on my last videos regarding 997, that is where I've been, but obviously there has been another load of things going on at the same time. So as many of you guys know, it's not just me, a lot of other YouTubers have stopped posting recently. And obviously I'm not gonna sit here and make this video any longer than it's needed. It's just really to give you guys a clear picture of what's been going on with myself. And obviously other YouTubers, as you're probably aware, there's a lot of people not posting. That's purely because YouTube has, you know, slightly, I wouldn't say majorly declined, but it's slightly declined because obviously the way economies are right now, the way everyone's wanting pay rises, things like that, you know, it's not worth for YouTubers to be doing videos anymore because they're not getting paid as much as they was doing the videos. And you've got to understand, as much as people have a passion for doing YouTube, it does kind of, you know, deflate you when you see that you're not really getting paid much for it, because a lot of time does go into it, into the editing, into, you know, posting the videos, making the videos, and then you're not getting the rewards back. And as many of you guys will know, you know, all my cars I paid for out of my own money. I haven't used YouTube funds. Luckily, I didn't buy these cars for the channel. These are cars that I actually wanted, because otherwise I'd be sitting like most of these other guys, you know, that are on YouTube who are buying cars specifically for YouTube purposes, to attract an audience, to make money from it, and it just doesn't go anywhere. And there's a lot of people I'm watching right now still, you know, they're buying Rovers when they, you know, are passionate about Ferraris, and they go and buy Rovers. And starting to do Rovers, trying to attract an audience for Rover, because it's obviously, many of you guys don't know, it's a British manufacturer. They went bankrupt thanks to BMW, but people are trying to get into them to try and attract an audience. They're trying to do stuff that you just don't see a lot of on YouTube, and they're trying anything they can to try and bring their views up. Now, bearing in mind, I've been quite lucky. I haven't been really relying on YouTube. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. I have been doing a lot of TikTok. TikTok is what has actually really helped me, you know, be able to restore this 997 and get it done as quick as I've actually done. If many of you guys don't know, I actually flew Nathan over here last week. He come and helped me strip all this engine. We both done it together. He's also going to be coming back, which I'm getting him to fly back, and he's going to be helping me put the engine back together, because obviously I need to get it back in within a few days. Many of you guys know this car is sold, and it's due to get out of here. The engine's going back in the car. I've got the boot lid to go back on. So there you can see behind me all the bits on the back of the, you know, on my benches. That's where all the engine's been stripped. We're waiting for the case halves to come back with the new liners put in. But that's where I've mostly been. And obviously I've got Nathan onto TikTok, so that's how, you know, me and him are able to do these 997s, and him to fly over here now and stay over here because of doing TikTok. Many people think, oh, TikTok don't pay much, but unless you actually do it, you really have no idea. And I have been, you know, monetized on there. We've got nearly 15,000 followers on there. It's done very well. My videos better than they would have done anywhere on YouTube. Many of you guys can go and check my TikTok. I don't have to lie. As they say, the proof is in the pudding. You can go and check Nathan's one as well. I bring him to TikTok. He done extremely well as well, and he's got paid a lot of money from it. You know, it's just about you being unique and the audience taking a liking to you. If many of you follow me on there, I know many of you are against TikTok. You can go and follow me on there, because I'm very active on TikTok. And if I'm honest with you, I reply to comments more on TikTok than I do on YouTube, because purely because I find it a lot easier to engage with TikTok than I do with YouTube. It's just, their app is just absolute total crap, to be fair. And obviously it's not made for being mobile friendly. Everything with TikTok is made mobile friendly. Obviously I'm not here to promote TikTok. I'm just letting you guys know. Strictly, that's where I've been. That's where I'm putting a lot of my time and effort into now. It's not really YouTube anymore, purely because the way YouTube's gone down. And obviously many people know TikTok are taking over YouTube. They become #1. Majority of advertisers are going over to TikTok, you know, because TikTok are undercutting YouTube on what they charge. It's actually cheaper for advertisers to advertise on TikTok. You know, their videos, their ads are getting seen more than they do on YouTube, because people ain't skipping them, people actually clicking. You've got the TikTok shop, which I'm on as well. So like I said, guys, I'm making a lot of money from that. And without TikTok, this 997 wouldn't be possible. And the new car that I'm planning to buy now is wouldn't be possible either. But that's where it is, guys. I've still got all the other cars. We've still got the E60. We've still got the 1 Series. 6 Series has gone. It just wasn't beneficial for this channel. As far as I was concerned, the views weren't as great as they were on E60. I know you guys love the E60. That is still sitting here. The 1 Series is still here as well. The reason I chose to keep 1 Series is purely because that's got the black top M52 engine. And I know many of you guys have that engine. That needs a lot of work doing to it as well. I need to do the front bumper, the under trays, new tires, you know, everything's just aging on it. Obviously I overhauled the cooling system. That car's gonna be coming off the road because I'm buying another car. So I'm giving my missus that while I take this 1 Series off the road. That's why I need to get this 997 out of here, because that 1 Series, I'm putting a 1M bumper on that. We've already got it here in my shop sitting in the corner, and I've got new under trays on order as well. When BMW decide to send them to me, they're all on special order, so I've only got to wait for them. They take 3 weeks in a way for the under trays. All the under trays being done. I've also got to do the transmission fluid. It's literally the last thing on that car that I need to do is the transmission fluid. Even though it shifts okay, I still want to get it changed. Now, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. Since I've had the 130i, that's got the GM transmission. And I must say, I much prefer that transmission over the ZF transmission. I don't know why. That transmission just shifts so smooth, so quick, and I feel like it gives a lot more power than the ZF transmission does. I really, really do believe that gearbox is much, much better after having both. And you've got to remember, guys, I've got the silver top M52 engine with a ZF gearbox. I've also got the 130i with a black top with a GM gearbox. I've driven both, and the GM one is much, much smoother. It changes quick, gears a lot quicker. It just is a much more superior gearbox for the M52 engine, I believe. And many of you guys in the US will agree with me with your 328i's, 330Xi's, who's got the GM transmission. You guys will know it's a much, much more superior gearbox than the ZF gearbox. Now, as I said, I'm not gone. This is where I've been. If many of you guys do want to keep up with me and keep up to date with me, then move over to TikTok, because that's where I'm posting the content. I'm mostly posting membership content on this channel. So if you're not a member and you do still want to watch YouTube videos, that is where it's at. I believe the price is fair, but believe me guys, membership does not pay much at all. YouTube are taking like 75% out of that. It's a lot of money. When you work out your whole revenue over a month, it's 75% YouTube are taking. It used to be 45, now it's 75%. Us as creators ain't getting paid as much anymore. It's not me, this is down to YouTube. If you've realized, YouTube are putting on gifts, memberships, merchandise. They want in you guys as viewers to buy stuff from us as creators. They don't want us to rely on ads anymore, because YouTube can't rely on advertising anymore because they charge too much. So they're trying to push other ways for creators to make money, for you guys to buy stuff from creators. And that's the way TikTok was, but also TikTok has obviously got their ads. They've also got their series, which is like a membership where I can put a load of videos on there, up to 20 minutes long, and people can pay for a membership there, which I've already got that going, and that's doing very, very well. I'm very, very pleased, and it's easier to find on there, because if someone watches your video on TikTok, they are then told about the series as they're watching the video, that they can join and watch exclusive videos. So it's really, really easy with TikTok. I'm not sitting here saying YouTube's crap. If it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't be where I am today. But that is where I've been. TikTok, as I said, helped me fund this 997, has helped me build my 32x24 pool that I've now built outside, which is absolutely humongous. And that's where I've been. I've been enjoying that in the sun. Well, this car, I've been waiting for the case offs to come back. They should be back next week. Nathan should be back over here next week as well. And I am going to do a video probably on this channel, probably do it in time lapse, so you guys can see us putting the engine back together. Just let me know if you do want to see that. But that is where I've been, guys. I've been very, very busy doing this car, having a digger in to dig out for my pool area, and everything else that's been going on out there as well. I'm trying to build another shop as well. It's another reason why Nathan's coming here for that week. We're trying to build a shop out here, which I'm going to have another lift in, because this situation is getting ridiculous. Having one car lift, the car stuck on the ramp with the engine out. I can't get any other cars in here. It's delaying the content. Yes, I could do it on a normal jack like many of you guys and bring the car in, put it in here, but I don't like this Porsche being outside. I don't like any of the Porsches being outside. So that's why I won't do that. But yes, I am in the process of building another shop. We've already got the wood here. We've just got to build it up. Obviously, it doesn't have to be as big as this. It's just to get the car up so then I can do what I need to do. Lights are easy to extend from this building into that one to run a cable. It's not going to be as big as this. It's just big enough to put a car lift in, have a door, put the car in there, and that's about it. It's not going to be nothing like this to work in, move around and everything like that. Obviously, there'll be space to move around, but nothing major like this. So that's where I've been, guys, and I thought I'd just give you guys a brief update on what's actually been going on where my new platform is, where if you guys want to stay in contact with me, you want to stay up to date with content, feel free to go over to my TikTok. It's BMW Dr. YT. I'm right on there, you'll be able to find me. I'm the only one, I've been hashtagged enough times. I've been tagged in everything, that my name's coming up everywhere. You guys can see the views on there compared to what I've been getting on YouTube for the last few months. If you look at my last videos for the last 3 months, go and look at my TikTok when I've been posting in the last month. And bearing in mind, I only started this TikTok 2 months ago. I've had the TikTok account for over a year, but I took it seriously in the last 2 months. I was monetized. I got Nathan monetized. Nathan wasn't too keen on it as well because of all the crap he heard about it, about this. They didn't pay much, they didn't do this, but now he's become obsessed with it just like me, and he doesn't stop monitoring it, posting videos for it. Much easier, less time editing, less time creating, and you get bigger rewards. So thank you very much, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and as I said, we will be back with other videos. Thank you very much, and goodbye.